What is going on, guys? Man, I feel like I haven't done a video in a while. It's only been about a week, but I've been super busy this week. Had to work some overtime this weekend, and yesterday was like my only day off in the past 2 weeks. Throw in some DMV visits there and some other stuff I had to take care of, and have not had a chance to really work on the S2000. We took it apart a little bit right here. The car was in an accident before I purchased it, so I had to get some new crash bars and radiator support, stuff like that. So I ordered all that stuff already. You guys will see that in a later video. Today what we're actually gonna be doing is putting on the new wheels and tires you see right here behind me. Hopefully you can see. So we're gonna go ahead and get these wheels and tires mounted, get rid of these freaking wheels right here. I don't know what brand they are. I tried to look it up, but no idea. The tires are cracked. I don't like them, so I don't want to put brand new tires on wheels that I don't like. So I just went ahead and got new wheels. Before I show you guys the new wheels, man, look at this. They're just completely ruined. Some of them are actually cracking. The rims themselves are pretty beat up. It's got a bunch of different lug nuts in there. Look at this one right here. This is all completely just gone, man. So those wheels definitely gotta go. I'm so glad it did not rain on my drive home. That could have been potentially very bad. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this. This is something I have to do in order to make the car drivable and safe. So let's go ahead and show you guys the new wheels. Then we'll go ahead and load them up in the BMW and head down to the tire shop and get to So these are the Koenig Hypergrams. The reason I went with these wheels is, one, they're really cost effective. I think for the whole set it was like $700. They're flow formed wheels, so they're gonna be plenty strong for the S2000. It's not a very heavy car, so these are gonna be just fine. They're not cast wheels. And also I didn't want to spend a third or half of what the car cost me on wheels, to be honest. These are gonna be just perfect. I would have loved some T's or something, but those cost pretty much half of what my car costs, so definitely not gonna do that. These are gonna be just fine. I love the color, I love the look. They also sell perfect specs for the S2000. These are 17 by 9s plus 40, I believe, so it's gonna be perfect for the S2000. I love the center cap, how it's Allen keyed down. It's just a really nice touch. It looks really good. Just a really nice wheel. I've always liked these wheels. I actually wanted these for my ISF, but they didn't have good specs for my ISF, and they also didn't offer the bronze. I've always wanted bronze wheels, and I finally got some, and it's for the S2000. This color is going to go super nice with the color that we choose for the S2000. So like I said, very affordable. They're like $750 shipped to my house, taxes, everything included. So not bad at all. And we're going to go ahead and be pairing these with these tires right here. I don't know if you guys have heard of Achilles. These are the Achilles Sport, the ART Sport 2s. Or Sport Z's, I think. This is gonna be a really nice meaty fitment for the S2000. It's gonna look really good with these tires. If you guys don't know who Achilles is, I first heard of them through drifting. When I went to Formula D, I saw they had their drift trailer there, and they had a bunch of tires, and they support a lot of the drifting events and stuff like that, and they make drift tires. They also make track tires, like our compound tires and stuff like that. But for us normal guys that just want to drive our cars on the street, they offer a street tire, and at a really good price. These are a really good looking tire. These tires were about $70 a piece. I think I paid like $300 shipped to my house. So with the wheels and tires, right at $1,000, which is really good. It's hard to find good wheels and tires for that price. So I'm gonna be testing these out. These are gonna be great street tires, I think. This is gonna be exactly what I need. This is a square setup, so all the tires, all the wheels are the same size. And I cannot wait to get it on the car. Even with how the car looks right now, it's just gonna really make the car look so much better than these wheels on here. Also, I noticed the car had a bunch of different lug nuts. It has just mix match lug nuts, so I had to get some new lug nuts. For the lug nuts, I went with Moteki SR48s, and I just went with this like gunmetal black chrome color. Nothing flashy. Really nice lug nuts. It's gonna go really well with the tire and wheel combo. Wow, it's actually pretty close in color. Once it's on there, it's gonna look really good. So these are really nice lug nuts. I need to get some of these for my BMW. I don't know if they make BMW specs, but yeah, check these out. These are cool. I also got a steering wheel with the quick release and all that, and I didn't like it. So while I'm doing the wheels and tires, I'm gonna stop by the shop that I bought it from and return the steering wheel. This is from Status Racing. Status Racing is the seats that I used to have in my ISF. It's really nice seats, some of the nicest seats I've ever seen for aftermarket, just really high quality. However, the steering wheel, I don't know, I just can't really say the same. It looks good, it's a good looking steering wheel, but I've had a lot of Alcantara suede steering wheels, and this one is very coarse. It just feels very coarse. It doesn't feel good in your hands. It's also very skinny, which I do not like. I really do not like skinny wheels. It looks good, like I said, but the material, I'm not feeling it. And then how thin it is, also don't like it. And then it does have a little defect right here. I don't know if you guys can see this right here. It's like lifted. It's not super noticeable, but this is right in the middle of your steering wheel, and as you're looking at your RPM gauge, this is what I see every single time, and it really bugs me. So we're gonna be taking this back. What I ended up doing was getting an airbag for the car instead, so I'm gonna keep the OEM steering wheel and just replace the airbag. This was a so satisfying. Check these out, guys. Look how freaking good these look. They're not even on the car yet. They look really good. Man, I could not be happier. A really nice thing that Koenig does, it's a normal practice when you go to the track to remove your center caps, because most center caps you just pop in, and when you're at the track, the brakes and the wheels are getting hot and the tires, and that fluctuation in temperature oftentimes makes the wheel cap pop off. And these really nice touch are actually screwed in, so you screw these in so you do not have to worry about ever losing these. So it's a really nice touch. Overall, really nice wheel. The fit and finish, the color, just looks really freaking good. I'm very happy with these. I believe they're also like 17 pounds, so being full form, they're strong and they're light. And then matched up with these Achilles tires, they look really good. I think I got a perfect size, just a nice meaty look, not too fat, not stretched at all. So these are just gonna look freaking sick on here. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comments. I cannot wait to get the car color changed. It's gonna go so good with these wheels. You guys are gonna freaking love it. Let's go ahead and jack up the neglected S2000 and get these wheels on and take a look at them. I wish we could do the brakes and rotors today since they're freaking rusted and they look terrible, but I have to go to work shortly, so I don't have enough time. That'll be its own separate video later on this week, so let's go ahead and get started on this install. Truth. Let's see how it looks. I'm nervous. There she is, guys. It looks freaking sick. It looks so much better. This is a proper wheel and tire setup for this car. This is nice. These fit so good. They look really good. The bronze is super nice. Just ignore the rotors. We got new ones just down here going in later this week. This really transforms the look of the car. It looks really good. I cannot wait to do the brakes and rotors. And to get this car done, it looks so much better now. The mixed matched wheels, these right here, they were not it. Check out how rusted these are back here. These are bad. These tires, even worse. And then check out these are the lug nuts that came out of it, and then these are the new nice Moteki ones. So much better. Most of these are aluminum, which I freaking hate aluminum lug nuts. They tend to strip out. I'm not a fan. I would not recommend these at all. These though, these are sick. Also, look how they look. They look really nice in the wheel. Also, they're like a black chrome, so they actually reflect the bronze off of them. So they look kind of bronze right now, which is actually nice. It looks really good. Just super nice. I'm really happy with how these came out. And the tires look really good too. These are really good looking tires. Man, I'm really happy with this. Look at that. There's still so much work to be done on this car, but this is a big step forward. This car really needed this. It looks super good. I cannot wait to show you guys the new color that this car is gonna get. As you guys can see right here, I'm sure you guys can tell the two different colors. So this is gonna go, and it's coming along really good. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the new wheels. They're strong, they're affordable, they look good, they're lightweight. What else can you ask for? This is sick. I really look forward to trying out these tires too. These tires look like they're gonna be really solid. These are gonna be like daily driving tires, so I think these are gonna be just perfect. The S2000 does not put down that much torque where it needs some sticky tires. So that's gonna be all for today, guys. I wish I could take it out for a drive, but it's still not done getting registered. Still waiting on some parts I need, but it's coming along. I cannot wait to get more work done on this car, to get it on the road. I'm really excited for it. Just really excited to drive it how it's supposed to be and take care of it. I cannot wait. It's looking really good so far. The wheels and tires was a huge improvement, and just really made the car look so much better. I'm really happy. I could not be happier. I'll leave links in the description if you guys want to pick up these wheels and tires. Not sponsored at all. I don't get any money out of this. I don't get affiliate marketing or nothing. I just really like these wheels and these tires. How do you beat $70 tires, you know, from a pretty reputable company, and especially in automotive like sports and stuff like that? So I don't think we can go wrong. That is going to be all, guys. Leave me a comment. Hit that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We have so many more videos coming up. Also on the M3, I have not forgot about that car. Don't worry, guys. And that's it, guys. I really appreciate you guys checking out another video. You guys have an awesome rest of your week, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.